In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do an ankle stabilization drill, and we're going to be walking backwards and forwards with a resistance band on our tiptoes. So this is fantastic for ankle stability, especially rehabbing ankle injuries, as well as trying to get them generally stronger. So what I want you to do is take a seat and then pop the band on just above your ankles. Try not to do it standing up. We don't want to create any injuries before we even start. So I'm going to take a seat. I'm going to pop the resistance band just where my ankle is. And then I'm going to make sure it's nice and flat so I've got no crinkles in the band. When I come up, I'm going to come into a really wide stance. Now, you'll know if you're in a wide stance because you want to feel resistance on the band. So you want to feel the band pulling you in. If you're in a position where you go, you know what, I don't really feel the band pulling me in, you're not far enough out with the feet, or you haven't got a heavy enough band. So what I want you to do is come into that position where you've got your feet like train tracks pointing forwards, you've got resistance on the band. I'm going to come into a slight squat now. I'm now going to come onto my tiptoes. So my heels are off the floor at all times as I walk forwards. And then back. And you'll notice your ankles wanting to stabilize. You'll want to bring the heel down. You'll also want to do this faster. It's harder to do this on the way back than it is the way forwards. So if you want to make sure that when you go forwards, you have a rest, then come back, that's absolutely fine. You're trying to keep yourself going completely straight. So this isn't like a diagonal move. You're trying to get your set position, coming onto your tiptoes, straight forwards, straight forwards, straight forwards. Repeat this for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that is how to do an ankle stabilization walk.